Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you about my activities every day. Every day I wake up early at the 6 o'clock. After waking up in the morning, I made in the bed, then I took a shower. After that, I had breakfast and was ready to go to campus. I went to campus according to the schedule, some at 7 a.m. and some at 2 p.m. That's what my activities are like every day. Thank you.